What's going on? My name is David. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the footer of your Shopify store. If you want to make custom changes, you want to change the way it looks, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make custom changes. So what you want to do, first come to the admin section of your Shopify store, the admin page. From here, look on the left side until you see online store. Click on that. You should see the themes highlighted. The theme library has all the themes that you have on your store, but the live theme will be up top here. And what you want to do is click on customize. Now we can customize our theme. What we're going to do is we're going to come down here, scroll down. All the different sections of your homepage will be here, but you want to click on footer because that's what we're editing or changing, the footer. So if you come here, let's say you want to simply do something like change a title here. So that you have your section here, but you want to change this title. You can click this section here. Let's say you want to change this from shop to more. You should change like that. Just shop to more, simply change whatever you want in the heading, and you can change that. Let's go back here. And so for this theme, how we've set it up is all the theme's colors will be changed in one specific block. So what I mean by that is if you click here, you notice that this text color is a specific color. Once you change this, all these colors will be one color. So for an example, I'm going to make it red like this. You see how everything is red? So that allows the footer to be uniform. Instead of having this one color, this the next color. The way we built this theme is so everything is one color. So you can come here, make it white, whatever color you want, but make sure it's visible to the background. You can make all those edits here in the actual theme editor. And of course here, let's say the email list, you want to change that title. You can say here, just instead of subscribe to our email list, maybe you think that's too long, just delete that, put subscribe. And let's say you don't even want this email section here. You click, so email sign up was checked. If you don't want it, you just uncheck it and then it goes away. So you click it, it goes there, goes away. And same thing with the social media icons. You click it here, now it's gone. So these are some simple changes that you can make to your Shopify store. You don't want the social media icons there, just uncheck it there. Same thing with the payment icons. If you see like the Visa, the MasterCard, the PayPal, if you uncheck, it'll go away. You check it, it comes back. Good. So these are some nice custom features. So one thing you could also do, let's say your theme doesn't have any of these sections here and you want to make a custom feature, I'm going to show you something that you can do very simple to make some custom changes. Like for instance, you see the spacing between these links. Let's say you want to increase or decrease the spacing. So follow along, I'm going to show you how you can do that real quick. What you want to do is actually come to a new page, come to a new page, and then type in the link of your Shopify store. So here, mine is this. Okay, so once you have this, what you want to do is left click on inspect, and go all the way down to the bottom of your page. Then you want to come up here on the right side until you see this pointer icon. Click on that, and then it'll turn blue. What you do is now come back to your screen and then hover until you're able to see the whole section. So it's going to say here, link-blocks. Link-blocks here, come in here, we'll go in there. Okay, good. So link-blocks. And then to test it, what we're going to do is we're going to come here to where it says UL, click on the LI, and we're going to put the height at 30 pixels. Okay, good. So now we know it works. So this is just a little trick that you can do. Now to make this simple, if you come back here, I think it was link-blocks. We're going to come here where it says custom CSS. We're going to say link-blocks. And we're going to say like this. Then we're going to say height equals 30 pixels. Okay, it works good. So if this was a little too complicated for you, just keep this in mind. If you want to increase the height of the links here and you don't want to go through that whole process, maybe it was too complicated, type in link-blocks ULLI. That's basically targeting all these links or the list items. Here is where you can target the height that you want the links to be. So let's say this is too big. Maybe you want to do half of that. Come in here, you put 15, now they're closer. Maybe 15 is now it's too small. You want to have more space, so you put 40. If you can just this simple code snippet, just put that here in the custom CSS link. You have to add the period first. Link dash blocks ULLI, and then you can edit how much of spacing you have between your links. And then of course, let's say you want to change the background of this whole section here. You can come in here, click that, change the background. So there's so many different changes that you can make just on the footer of your Shopify store. And I hope I was able to break down some of these things. If you still need help, please feel free to send me an email. You can, if you want to book a call, you need just something real quick, we can book a call. I can help you out with it. You can leave a comment if you have a question, but I hope I was able to help you to see how you can make some custom changes to your Shopify store, the footer section. If you're looking for a custom Shopify theme, you can come to our Etsy store. We have 6 custom pre-built Shopify themes that you can download, edit, and get up and running with your Shopify store right away. Link will be in the description if you want to check it out. And of course, if you're interested more about how I can help you set up your Shopify store, you have a tech problem that you need help with, feel free to either book a call, send me an email. All the information will be down below. And I'll try my very best to help you see how we can get you set up with your Shopify store or whatever issue it is that you need help. But once again, I hope this video is able to help you see how you can make custom changes to your Shopify store, the footer section. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.